welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to catch and prepare your shark baits. I'm just down here at my local stream. Today we're going to be fishing for eels. Got a small bit of 15-pound leader down to a 2-0 circle hook with a bit of chicken on it. Throw it out anywhere, try not hit the swans. They cruise around pretty much everywhere. Once we get one, I'm going to take it back home and I'll show you guys how I prepare them later in preparation for sharks later on to keep them nice and fresh. All right, there's two eels here just picking on my bait. There's 3 eels. I'll see if I can stab one. It's only a little one. Sweet. Just so you can handle these guys a bit easier, I normally just cut my line there. Now I've got a nice loop to carry him with so I don't get slime all over me. To get rid of some of the slime, to make it a bit easier, just get some boiling water. Just pour it over. I was defrosting my bait. It was about, I don't know, 4 or 5, about that size, sitting down at my feet. I was gonna try and stab one. All right, so you're gonna wanna fillet this just like any other fish. Get in behind the shoulder bone here. Excuse the blunt knife. And then just run right along that backbone. All right, there's one fillet. Flip him over. So now all I do, just to help preserve them, a bit of salt. Just helps keep the integrity of the flesh. I don't know if you've ever used any frozen baits before and the flesh starts falling off and all you're left with is the skin. This just holds the flesh together after it's been frozen. So a bit more maybe, and I'll leave that for about a half an hour. Oh, might help if I get it on there. Leave that for probably half an hour. Now, just to make it easier for when I'm out fishing and I don't have to worry about these defrosting and cutting them into shark-sized baits, I'll cut this into thirds. So we'll go, boom, that's one shark bait. That's the second shark bait. Four, 5, and 6. Plus, I've also got the head there, just as a little single hook. We'll put him on there as well. So I'll see you guys once that's salt soaked in. The real secret is get yourself one of these, a vacuum sealer. So I'll whack these fillets in here. I'll probably bag all these up in one just because I'll go through that in one session. Hopefully we get a few sharks out of this. I'll take these out soon and we'll go get some sharks. Put this in here, squeeze this shut, and we'll vacuum. Pop that. There we go. One vacuum sealed pack of shark baits ready to go. I'll pop that in the freezer. That's how I catch and preserve my shark baits for eels anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys on the next one.